Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is MAKIA FOREX. I'm just doing what we call a review of the core retail sales. So the news was posted today. If you check my economic calendar, you can see there's a news over there. The core retail sales for January was 3.2, which was better than 1.7 for last month. Also we had 0.7, 3.4, 0.7. So all the news was positive for the GDP, and this is exactly what happened. So if you check the GBPUSD, let me just go to the 5 minutes time frame. So when the news was being released, this is actually the news candle. Let me go to the 1 minute time frame. This is a news candle over here. So when the news was being released, price moved about, I think about 30 pips, sorry, 22.3 pips bullish. I think it went up to the previous daily high. So this is the Asian range high. So price went up to the Asian range high. When it got there, it pulled back in the next. So when price got up to this area, price pulled back. This is the first 5 minutes, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. When it pulled back up to this particular area, so I was saying the next 20 minutes price pulled back. Then around 8:20 price started moving back bullish. It got all the way to this particular area. When it got to this particular area, what happened? It could not really reach this previous high, I think, because the bulls were weak. So I'll just put a line in this particular area. So it just pulled back all the way to this particular area before falling back down to the daily low. That's the Asian low, if you know what I'm talking about. So this is the impact of the news. The first candle was bullish. It went up to this area. We had a pullback for 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes pullback, it rose up again about 15, let's just say 15 pips. Then after it rose up 15 pips, it pulled back down again 26 pips before rising back up. So I think I took this particular trade, even though it took a long time for it to get this particular trade. But look at the way it's falling. It's falling with so much power, but when it comes to it going bullish, it's taking some time to go bullish. So there's the impact of the core retail sales. So we have to just understand that the first candle was bullish, then it will pull back. After the pullback, it will rise up a little bit again before falling back down. That's what happened during the news today. So thanks for watching. Bye.